What's up, guys? Welcome to another amazing house tour. Today I'm right here in Munyonyo and I'm touring a 3-bedroom penthouse. It goes for $100 a night and it's negotiable for long stays. So let me show you guys around, okay? So as soon as you enter, you see this amazing home freshening space and freshener. It feels welcoming. And on my right side, you can see there's a little sitting area where you can sit, read, or even have meetings if you would like to. And then it opens up to this massive space. Guys, look at this. This is the sitting area. And let me give you the other view, a 360 view of the sitting area. Look at that. It's massive. It's massive. It's massive. You can sit here, relax, watch TV. There's really a huge TV over there. You can sit there and just relax. So right here you can see there is a internet, and then here there is a welcome guide for you, whatever, and there's a little deco space here. Look at this beautiful art piece. It really makes the space feel welcoming. It feels warm, and I love this. Home sweet home. So this makes me already feel at home. So right from the living space, you can see there is a dining area. This is a 8-seater, guys, 8-seater. You can use this if you're like, it's nice for groups, families, or people with children, kids. This space is really so spacious. And then right here is your storage for all the utensils you might need. And here is just like where you can sit, like a mini bar area, and just have some drinks if you're someone who loves to drink. And you can see there's a number of glasses, wine glasses. And I love this bike. Look at this piece. They're really giving, you know. So right from this space, let me take you right away into the kitchen. This kitchen is just amazing. You can see from the sink area here, you have like a very nice view. This is a beautiful view, as you can see. And you have some cups here, the big ones, the small ones. And then right here, you have your cooker and oven, and there is your microwave, percolator. Here is your storage, and there are saucepans over there. You can cook if you want to. And here you have your blender and all the essentials that you need for your kitchen. There's even a rice cooker right there for you if you're someone who loves rice. And then here is your massive fridge. Look at this. It's nice. And for those who don't know this tool, I really love this tool. If you're an African, you know this tool, what it's used for. And then right beside the kitchen, there are 2 ovens and 2 cookers here. You can see you can actually cook from here if you have a lot of things to cook. And right here are essentials for your laundry, if you want to do laundry. And the washing machine is right here. As you can see, it's already in use. It's doing its work. This is a 10 kg washer. So you feel free to wash in case you need any laundry done. So now we are done with all these spaces. Meanwhile, this space has a lot of natural light. There is it has got 3 different balconies, but before we go to the balconies, let me show you the bedrooms. So right that way, let's walk to the master bedroom, and I just show you guys how massive this space is. So from the master bedroom, the first thing you see is the bed. This is a king size bed, and then there is a massive wardrobe right there. If you can see, there's a massive wardrobe right there. It has 2 wardrobes. Here is a storage space also if you want to, and there is this beautiful mirror. You can dress up from here, and the second wardrobe is right there. So mama can have a different wardrobe and papa can have a different wardrobe, and then you can see it overlooks, if you can see through those curtains, there is a very nice lake view over there. And then if you can see through this also, there is a very nice view. So let me just show you the view. I love the fact that this space is really, it has that cool breeze. You can see, guys, that curtains are even moving. It's really cool. So you can see there is just a mall right like 2 minutes walk from this space, and there is Shell there with KFC, Shell caramel. Let me zoom in and you see, do you guys see that? So like most of the amenities are like in walkable distance, and you don't have to hustle to go find stuff or whatever. So this is a view from your master bedroom balcony. Yeah, it's super cool and breezy. So from the master bedroom, guys, let me take you to the bathroom. Yo, see, this is massive. There's a jacuzzi right there, but this space is really massive. You can put your laundry here, and you put your items for laundry here. There is some tissue, whatever here. And then here is your beautiful jacuzzi with water heater up there. You can see it's also full of natural light. As you can see, there is a very huge window over there. And then this way you have your toilet, and here is your mirror. Look at that. Besides that, if you just want to shower, you can use the shower from here. It's the shower head, and just take your shower. This is the first bedroom. But guys, look at this space. I love this space. You can even transform this into a walk-in wardrobe if you would like to, but it's really very huge and spacious. So yes, this is our master bedroom. Let me give you guys a 360. I closed the curtain out. Let me give you a 360 of the master bedroom. Ooh. Look at that. It's super spacious. So now let me take you to the second bedroom. So we are just going to head back to the entrance, and then the second bedroom is this side on my right hand side. So you can see it's right here. It's also big. As you can see, this is also a king size bed, and here's that massive mirror. Guys, do you see that mirror? Look at that. And then it has got an ironing area if you want to iron. And then here is also a massive wardrobe. This place was really put together for families. And then there is another view right from here. So this is the second balcony. You can see the view of Munyonyo. Really, I really love that. Look at the neighborhood. That's just a glimpse at the neighborhood. That's neighborhood. You can sit here and just chill and relax. So now moving on from the second bedroom, I am going to take you to the second bathroom, which is right here. This is the second bathroom and shower and toilet. You can see it is spacious. It has a little mirror here. I love this mirror. Look at that. So this is really cute. I love the details on the mirror. You guys can see. And here is the toilet and a shower right here. You can shower if you want to. It has a water heater, so you don't have to worry of cold. And then right next, this is the third bedroom. So the third bedroom is it is pretty much adjustable. If you have 3 kids, these beds can be dismantled and reorganized into 3 different beds. But if you're a couple, you can join these beds together. So this room is pretty much customizable depending on the types of people that are coming in. If like you're coming in a group and like your couples, 3 couples, you can use this. But if they're like kids, you can split this separately rather, and then have people there. And then here is another little bed. Like if you have a child or a toddler, you can make this their sleeping space, and it's pretty much adjustable. So depending on the situation, if you're a group of adults, you can still split this and then customize as long as you're not so tall. And then here is a massive wardrobe. Look, this wardrobe is massive, and I love that little art piece there. And there is a small window there. So this is the beauty of this space, and I absolutely love it. It's giving home. It's giving home vibes. It's super quiet. The neighborhood is pretty much accessible. It's amazing. So I'm going to take you to the last part, which is the biggest balcony. And this one just goes through from this side. You can see you can customize this space. If you have kids, it can be a play area for kids, or if you just want to sit, and there's an extra toilet there. That is if like you don't want someone to use the toilets inside, there's an extra toilet actually right there. And here is your adjustable chairs. You can move these chairs to the other parts of the balcony. You can move these chairs to the other side if you want to, and just sit and relax. And one thing I love about this space is like the breeze. The neighborhood is really nice. You can sit here and just enjoy the breeze. And I love the fact that almost the shopping centers are just like walkable distances. You can find everything you need within this area in Munyonyo. And if you do laundry, you can actually hang your clothes right here. There's pretty much beautiful sunlight over here. And yeah, so guys, I hope you liked the space. This space is available for bookings, whether on Airbnb or if you want directly. I'll just put a phone number in the description for you to call or text, or to make any inquiries on how to reach to this space and make reservations. And long stays are really welcome. Feel free if you're coming to Uganda and you're going to stay for a year or so. Just carry only what you need is just only your suitcase, and it's a pretty place here in Munyonyo. Very nice, quiet neighborhood, beautiful breeze, and you can see the sun is hot, but I'm wearing a jumper. It's because like it's so cool. Like the breeze comes fresh from Lake Victoria right into your space. So I will put a phone number in the description, and see you soon. I hope you liked this tour, and if you do, let me know in the comments if you want me to do more of this type of house tours, specifically for furnished houses. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.